Hey there, folks. Imagine this. You're driving down the road, everything's fine, and then, bam, your car breaks down. Steam's pouring from the hood, you're on the side of the road, and you're thinking, great, this is just how I wanted to spend my afternoon. But don't worry. Woodies Roadside is here to save the day. Whether it's a flat tire, a dead battery, or you need a tow, Woodies Roadside's got your back. Our friendly drivers are ready to jump into action and get you rolling again, fast. Picture this, you're stranded, but then, like a superhero, a Woodies Roadside truck pulls up. The driver steps out with a big smile, and you instantly feel a wave of relief. In no time, they're changing your tire, giving you a jump start, or towing you to safety. With Woodies Roadside, you're never alone. We're just one call away, ready to provide fast, reliable roadside assistance whenever you need it. Simple, right? So next time you find yourself stuck on the road, remember the name Woodies Roadside. Save our number now. 1-844-TOW-2327. Because with Woodies Roadside, you'll always have a helping hand when you need it most. Call Woodies Roadside for fast, reliable roadside assistance. We'll get you rolling again. And hey, drive safe out there.